How to get bank statement on Capitec application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can get bank statement on Capitec application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the application and log in into your Capitec bank account. You have to enter your remote PIN to access your account. After that, you have to select your desired account. From your account list, tap on the account for which you need the statement for. Now access the statement options. For that, tap the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of your screen. Then tap on Email Statement from the drop-down menu. Then select the date range for the statement that you require. And input your email address or that of the recipient. Then tap on Send to dispatch the statement. After that, the email statement will include an electronic bank stamp serving as an official document. You can download and print the statement directly from your email. And that's the way to get bank statement on Capitec application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.